Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Wanted to, I found out today, it's video coming out tomorrow, that, well, today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday, and yeah, this video, sad to hear that Dumas, uh, models is going out of business, went out of business. Um, I always wanted to buy one of those, like, and turn it into some art. I never really got into it. The only boat I ever built was my wife bought me was the Midwest postcard. Built it, and I actually floated it and actually drove to. Then I ended up selling it. Son's still in our country. And Midwest was also gone. And Dumas Sig is pretty much gone also. Somebody bought them and then they didn't survive. I do believe Brodak will be next. Hopefully they're not. And yeah, the only place you'll be able to find plans like these be on Outer Zone. Many of these model airplane companies or model Balsa models have gone out of business now going into 2030s. And they just don't last because number one, balsa wood has gotten number one is very expensive and now is being used in other avenues like windmills and tariffs really hurt. Not only tariffs from the United States, but tariffs from other countries also that actually produce balsa wood. Balsa wood, if you don't know the history about balsa wood actually is kiln dry, and it gets expensive to do that too. So it's kiln dried, and it actually starts off as a very wet. It's very wet, very. I mean, squeeze into the water will actually come out. What they do is they dry it, they kiln dry it, and then they cut it into sheets. Yeah. And balsa wood, there's an argument that balsa wood flies better. I've seen fiberglass planes fly good. I've seen home board airplanes being put together and then they put fiberglass on them. Um, it's definitely not 3D modeling. 3D modeling is now coming of age, and even I see plastic model coming out of business eventually too, like Pavel and Hasegawa and you Tamiya, because really all you really need is an RC. You need the transmitter, and then you need your servos and electric motor, and you can build your own things using a 3D printer. And I see this happening more and more in the next coming years, and everybody's going to uh, balsa wood. I'll still continue to bang out balsa wood airplanes until someday I do get a 3D printer that works. 3D printing is it. I I got a free one, free 3D printer, and I don't know. I'm still learning it. It's at my office right now. I would like to bring it back, but I don't have any. So, plus I like building my balsa wood airplanes. I've got a good selection of balsa, so I got enough kits to last me for a little while. So I think I'm good. If balsa wood goes up anymore, I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to say, rest in peace, models, and also Comet. Dumas actually bought Comet and took over their model line. That's why they're plane selection actually. But listen, don't fray. Can find Dumas, Dumas. I pronounce it. I think it's Dumas. 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 Yeah. Dumas model plans. You can find them on Amazon. So I have a plane here, Dumas airplane, which I paid like $80 for the kit. I think that kit was probably a lot cheaper back in the 90s. Yeah, back in the 90s, probably would have bought an Aero Coupe. I still can't get it. So hopefully I'll be able to get it flying eventually. But other than that, I just wanted to say rest in peace to Dumas. And you will still build your planes if you take all of your plans and download them onto Outer Zone. We'll be able to continue building model airplanes. So that said, talk to you guys later.